when I think about my back to school, like a starter kit, like a starter pack type preparation, I usually plan out the month of September. So it's not necessarily a thing, but it's like a calendar has to be developed for the month of September. That's very well planned, very well thought out. And that calendar is always matched with my family's calendar so that I remember things that are important for the month of September. So I spend a lot of time planning out the month of September. So a calendar packed with everything that's important so that I don't forget. Vitamin C packets. I found that throughout the years to be very important. Some folks think they should start doing that when the temperature starts to change, but you should really start prepping for that now. You're tired a lot more, your sleep schedule may be a bit off, so your immune system may be down. So I strongly suggest vitamin C packets. A playlist, which may not, it's a thing, but it's maybe not something they keep in your pocket, but it can be if you have Beats or headphones or what have you. So a morning and evening meditation playlist that could be anywhere between 2 minutes to 10 minutes of meditation. So you could start your morning off right and really end your day off well, end your day well. I say a meal prep plan for at least the first week of school. And what I mean by that is prepping all your meals and having them ready for the first week so that you don't forget to eat, so that, you don't, if you've set awesome goals throughout the summer, you don't make those big mistakes and just grab the first thing you see. So if you meal prep for at least the first week of school, I think it'll make you feel great emotionally. You'll feel proud of yourself. So, and then the other thing I would say probably is have all your outfits. Have your outfits ironed for the first 2 weeks of school. So get your first 2 weeks of school ready, your outfits ready for the first 2 weeks of school so that you're not stressed in the evening or in the morning. So a well planned out calendar, vitamin C packets, morning and evening meditation playlist, meal prep for at least the first week, and 2 weeks worth of back to school outfits.